Hello. If you're receiving this, it means that my automatic reply system to my cell phone is in fact working. It means that as of this moment, my notifications is for text. All texting is turned off. It means if you text me again, or you send a text from another phone, or send a text from anything, whether you be family, friends, business, you name it, I will not receive it. I will not receive it. I will send. I will actually send texts when I need to help people understand me, to be able to teach people on how to deal with me. But I will not have a conversation in text anymore with anybody. This is a move I'm making because A, technology allows it, and B, texting has never done any favors for me. Texting is highly subjective to the person that's reading it, and that person, when I send the text message, is only using their voice and their emotions. They're not getting my voice. They're not hearing my emotions on how I'm feeling when I send the text message. It is highly texting in general, whether it be cell phone, Facebook, social media, GroupMe, you name it. Texting is highly, highly subjective to the person reading it, not the person sending it. So this is my attempt to be better. That also means, because I'm not getting any notification text-wise, that you will now have to call me. You'll now have to call me, and if I pick up, great. If you don't, so be it. If you're somebody who is not in my contacts, please be aware that you're not gonna get me to pick up for you. If you are in my contacts, great. If I am around my phone and I see my phone, you can guarantee you I will pick up if I am available. But if I'm not, leave a voicemail. If you're not in my contacts, call me and leave a voicemail. I will not respond to text or deal with this stuff anymore. I'm not only having communication problems in that way, I'm also having a lot of scams coming up on my phone as well, from women who is trying to supposedly find somebody, and then they talk about Bitcoin, and that's all they can talk about. They want to teach me how to make money with Bitcoin. They want me to make money with Bitcoin. They want me to give them access to my Bitcoin accounts so they can help me and teach me. It's like, no, it's a scam. So between texting being so subjective to the user and the scams, I am allowing texting to happen, yes, but I've turned off all notifications, so I will never receive your text until I open up my phone and I look and see if I actually have text. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not going to be checking text unless I'm going to be sending somebody to somebody. You want to tell me something? You want to talk to me? You call me. Plain and simple. It could be days. It could be weeks before I get your text message. So you better just call me. With that being said, this is my attempt not only to help me be better understood, but it's also to help other people not be so frustrated when it comes to text. Because I realize, despite what people believe, texting is not facts. Even though people want to make it as facts, texting is not facts. And it's because texting is not facts, it's why it's highly subjective to the person reading it. And this is my attempt not only to make my life better, but also the people around me. It may be difficult for them to accept. It may be difficult for them to deal with. But this is my way of canceling out text unless absolutely necessary, but never ever having a conversation in text ever again. I will still post to social media whenever I want to, because that's social media. But I will not use my cell phone for texting, except for whenever I need to inform somebody of something, or if they need, or if I'm just sending information to help people learn better about me. With that being said, let's make the world better and stop believing text is facts and actually start communicating again and realize that texting does not hold emotion. But videos, voice recordings, they do portray the accuracy of the emotion, where texting does not. So let's get back to actually communicating and stop believing texting is the answer. Ciao.